heart of Tassie's wild embrace, where the mountains meet the water's grace. Wayatinah Lake, so calm, so free, a hidden gem calls out to me. Wayatinah, where the echoes play in the whispers of the trees that sway. A peaceful shore, a tranquil hue, Tasmanian dreams come alive with you.
Hey guys, Bold Aussie Explorer here at a Wayatinah Caravan Park, Tasmania. Now we're about an hour and a half out of Hobart, heading towards the west side of the state. Anyway, let's go and do a bit of a walk around this park.
A peaceful shore, a tranquil hue, Tasmanian dreams come alive with you. Wayatinah, where the echo, a tranquil hue, Tasmanian dreams come alive with you.
Wasn't sure at first what these things were, but apparently they must be mooring poles. So you tie your boats up to these poles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them.
A tranquil hue, Tasmanian dreams come alive with you.
Right, we've got a boat ramp here, and we've got the lake just behind me. Have a look at that. There has been some ripper trout caught in there. I think you get a rainbow and brown trout, and occasionally you might get the Atlantic salmon swimming around here, because there is a salmon farm just up the road, and occasionally a couple escape. Anyway, yeah, water level's up because you've got the hydro plants just across the road there. But yeah, this is the lake. This is awesome. So this park has a lot of cabins, or permanents you could call it, and they're all scattered around the place over here. So what an awesome place to have a holiday. Come down here and then spend your time out there sailing, fishing, canoeing, all that sort of stuff on the lake. And out the back over yonder is a powered site, camp kitchen, new toilet block, and we're lucky enough to be up there on site 10 with a power and water and a magnificent view. Don't forget the fire pits as well. You can have get a load of firewood for $30. I think it's about 4 kilos of wood for $30, which is a really good deal. But if you head off back up the bush there to the where they forest the trees, yeah, get some wood around there.
Fishing poles and a warm outback sun, endless horizons, adventures begun. Camp chairs creak as the firelight glows, lake reflections telling what the heart already knows. From the shoreline to the sky's wide grin, love like this echoes deep within. A quiet Aussie dream we hold so tight.
I reckon one of the best jobs when you're out camping, caravanning, is actually walking around and collecting firewood. And it's not just the firewood that you end up collecting, it's all the other stuff that you get to see around here. $30 for a load of firewood. Tell you what, a lot better than the survey ones. Anyway, I'll keep looking for some wood. It's been a bit wet lately, so got to try and find some dry wood.